welcome back to another cooking show. I'm Wonder Evie, and today we're making Super Mario Odyssey Power Moon Lollipops. To make these lollipops, we will start by making our own Power Moon molds. All you need is modeling clay, a mold making kit like this one. It's very important that it is non-toxic and made for using with food. This kit is a kind of mastic and lollipop sticks. Here we go! I begin by modeling the moon. I printed some example of the power moon, and now I will do my best to make a beautiful power moon. Look at that! I think it's great. Now let it dry for some hours. The moon is now dry. It's time to make the mold. Just follow the instructions of your project. Because I want 3D moon lollipops, I will need 2 halves of the moon glued together to make one lollipop. I will begin by drawing a line with a non-toxic pen to split the moon in 2. And then I will mold only the half of the moon with a lollipop stick, just under, like that. Let's go! I let cure for about 20 minutes. I I let it cure and now we unmold. And voila! Boom! We have a power mold mold! I made 5 molds with lollipop stick and I've made 5 molds without. 2 halves for 1 lollipop, 1 stick and no stick glued together will give 1 lollipop. I washed the molds and now it's time to make the lollipops. All you need is 2/3 cup of light corn syrup, 2 cups of sugar, 3/4 cup of water, different candy flavorings, and different food colorings. Your lollipop sticks or power mold molds sprayed with baking spray, black and white food colorings with a paintbrush to make the eyes, and a candy thermometer. Mix the sugar, the water, and the corn syrup in a medium sauce pot.
Clean down the sides with water. Place over medium-high heat and cook until the candy thermometer reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit.
Okay, I put the syrup into a Pyrex measuring cup and now I add the food coloring and the flavor. Be really careful with the syrup because it's really hot. My first flavor will be, tropical punch with red food coloring. Okay. 2 drops and tropical punch, 1 teaspoon or less or more. Oh, it smells so good. Yeah. Mix. It's very hot. Very hot. Be careful. Pour into the molds. Whoa. Oops. My God. Stick in the lollipop stick.
but just in one half on two. One lollipop. Uh-oh. And now let cool completely. Too much. Maybe I can make less.
Let's see if it worked.
Are you ready? Oh! Haha! Look at that! Wonderful! So easy to unmold. Now I will take 2 halves, one with a stick and one without. No. I will put a little bit of water with a paintbrush and I will stick them together. Just break the excess if you have. Oh, I know. With scissors. Yes. Water. Yes! The last step is to paint the eyes of the moon with black food coloring and white food coloring and a little paintbrush.
Wow! You got a moon! Let's make more flavors! Now that we have wonderful Power Moon lollipops, you can use them as birthday treats, as party favors, or as a cake topper. Don't miss my Super Mario Odyssey birthday cake idea to come on my channel. Big thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share the video to support my work. You can leave your comments below. my wonderful world by subscribing to my channel. You are awesome. Bye-bye. Now I'm going to taste strawberry kiwi. Mm. 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 Mm.